day, ladies and gentlemen. It's a point to mostly start our analysis. As I go into my daily time frame, I'm going to look for the overall direction and the previous direction on how the market has been, it's been acting or creating. So as you can see, we have this overall downtrend or descending channel. As you know, whenever we get a descending channel, we're expecting a reversal. We're expecting the market to actually change direction. As you can see, the market came and gave us this first touch. I would say this is our second touch. Third touch, the market came and started shooting to the upside. As you can see, it had to reverse because of what? We have this overall descending channel. So as you can see now, we're expecting what? The market to actually come for the 90% hold on our daily time frame. But we need to pay attention on lower time frame structures. As you can see, the market has been creating higher highs and higher lows. We might see the market continue shooting to the upside, or we might see a different thing when we get to our lower time frames. This is what we're expecting on our daily time frame, expecting the market to continue shooting to the upside. But as you can see here, we have this first touch, second touch, and this will be our third touch. So we might expect the market to actually continue shooting to the downside, or the market breaking and continue shooting to the upside. So we need more confirmation. So that's why we need to go to also smaller time frames. Let's move to our for our time frame, our 240 minutes. We get to it quickly. We need to get to our 4-hour time frame so that we can actually focus on this structure. This is the current market price. This is what's going to give us confirmation on whether the market is continue buying or the market has to change direction now and sell. So let me try again and move into my 4-hour time frame. 240. Yeah, so now we are on our 4-hour time frame. So on Asia market, let me just quickly adjust this. We try and adjust. Trending to the upside now for quite a long time. It's been giving us those impulses, correction, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and an impulse. Now we got a correction here. Then the market, what? We're expecting the market to actually drop. Why are we saying the market has to drop? First thing, we have this first touch, second touch, even though it didn't touch, and this is the third touch of the trend line. So as you can see, we also have this what? Inner a pattern within a pattern. We have this ascending channel within an ascending channel. The market might spike a bit. No, man. The market came, gave us this first touch, second touch. I think it failed to give us a third touch, but the market, as you can see now, it's changing direction. And as you can see now, we have to expect what? This impulse and then correction to come and continue pushing to the downside. We need to wait for what? An impulse correction. Then also here we need to wait for what? A breakout and what? And a retest for us to confirm that the market is to sell to our 90% rule. So if we get this break and a retest, we know that the market has to what? Continue shooting to the downside. It has to not continue, it has to what? Change direction because of this overall structure. Or the market might what? Come in a correction. Then it has to continue going to the upside, breaking this, then continue to going to the upside. So we need to wait for what? It's either the market has to what? Give us this break and a retest. Then, or the market might what? Give us this corrective structure after this what? Impulse, correction, impulse. It might give us what? Correction, continuation flag. Impulse, correction, and an impulse. Or we might wait for what? An impulse to downside, correction to the upside, then a continuation. This is what we are looking for. So we need to pay attention on the structure also. The structure might be a bullish structure, or it might be a reversal pattern. So we need to wait for more confirmations. So if we get a change of structure during this week, I'll shoot an update on what must be expected now. because of now, as you can see, we also this might be our third touch of the daily time frame trend line and a continuation to the downside. So we need to pay attention on how the market is moving. So I'll just give you an update, guys and girls, on how we might on what must be expect next. Because we might get a shoot to the downside, then what come for a third touch and a continuation. So there are more probabilities on this, and there are more possibilities on this trade. So we need to what wait and see what is the market gonna give us, then take it from there. So I'll just shoot another video if I see a change of structure, and I'll post it on the group, confirming the direction of the market, that we must be look for selling opportunities, or we must be look for buying opportunities. So thank you guys for joining me in this video. It's your boy, the founder of Food Trash Trading Academy, signing out.